Well, I'm still considering this is a pretty important support zone for us right now, and that these shorts need to break this down. This is a magnet for us, right? 78. Previously, this zone was resistance. Now it could be turning to some support. If you look at RTH chart, the system, this says if you come back and do a swan dive and land on the diving board, that should throw you up into the air a little bit. The question is how much. And you do need to get above the blue line and the green and the red. But once you do, then we could bounce again. And again, I'm going out on a limb saying that this is our most important chart today. Support found here, and so far the resistance zone slowing us down, but this is more a function of profit taking from that large range. So better value, if you want to buy, there's better value buying here than there is up here. It's a double bottom idea. It's still not what I would consider to be conservative trade, but it is a momentum trade. Anytime that we have a trade that is taken, ahead of the half gap and the gap, it's an aggressive trade. So by definition, this is aggressive. And currently, the most important thing I can say is that responses from a short can be judged to be that this move that comes north can be judged to be a profit taking. That's all we know of this kind of a swing and near this low. And then on subsequent revolutions and rotations, we can start to understand where is the market really trying to get. And so if you're buying 78, no guarantee that it's going to go anyplace, but for sure if you were shorting, you'll want to take some profits here. And I said, my guess is most of the traders today will be guilty of over trading. Shorts will want too much, and so will the longs. And then more than likely we will settle into a range, probably a 10-point range. And that we would need to understand that we've got crumbs, probably as today's trade, RTH, versus that whole large range. So currently, this is your demon right here, 84.5. We'll use that area, that zone, big 85 as resistance for now. And if you were looking on the Globex charts, it is a 30-minute chart. You can see we had identified overnight this as our primary resistance still. That was here from last week. Yeah, we needed a retest of that 85 zone. We could see that. Just go over and scroll backwards a little bit. You'll see where that resistance had come in. And touched down over here and had a rocket ship. This is normal for the market to overcompensate in both directions. And this is all done in low overnight volume. So it's egregious as heck, but it is the way it is. Keep an eye on the 120 chart too. This is a player. And I would not overtrade. We said take something from the day. If in a 30-point day with, 20 of it overnight, you can grab yourself 5 or 6 points, put it in your pocket, especially if you can do it in both directions. That's even harder. Keep an eye over here on the 30-minute chart for NQ. Pretty important idea right in here.